logic is an enemy and truth is a menace.
So what are you, man? Are you a real? Are you a fake? That's what I need to find out.
I got a message for your crooked ass rappers running game. You ain't boring shit. I watch you switch up like a hoe and say it all was business. You won't admit that we was close, but you can't test my memory. And now I see y'all just some clones that say you rap with killers. But me, I'm never known to play, I'll always keep it real. Bitch, I'm from the Tennessee, man, you know the deal. Off in the cup, we sit and plot upon another stain. I'll never change, just fuck the click until I hit the grave. Find me swinging hobby lanes, puffing heavy on that funk. Through the trunk, you hear the bang, and now you know what's up. Don't get your ass on out my way, cause trick I show no love. But if you want them face to face before the devil, son, it's alright, Peter, all you lames think you better run. I thought you knew y'all fools ain't safe, I'm breaking off the joint. I snap the taste right out your mouth to make it call your mother. I never fail to do my thing, so get the step wrong.
I'm just gonna bash your brains. I'm gonna bash them right the fuck in.
And if you got a fucking problem, come and solve it instead of running lip on the net. It ain't no rocket science, though, to see it always can. I told you, homie, talk is cheap, you can't escape the madness. Cause once you cross that little line, I'm quick to make it happen. The fiends of hell, we on the rise, we shoot it, never miss. Off from the crypt, I spit these rhymes that represent the V. Up in that dirty 615, we doing what we like. Don't get it twisted, lil' buster, just get it right. You say you run the underground, but all you do is rip. Can't spit a verse to save your life, y'all need some major help. You only care about a profit and them likes you get. Some social media gangsters with the mind of a kid. You've been asking for a sign, well sucker, here it is. I would just quit while you're ahead and maybe save your health. But if you're feeling like you wanna bring it on, just best believe I'm coming thick. I'll let this evil be my motive, you bitch. I smoke on this hunger to get some relief through the struggle, these faces of terror. It seems they just won't ever leave me alone, but I'm taking the road for the better. Still I toss and I turn, having nightmares and visions, I can't get them out of my head. Losing sleep through the devilish creatures that whisper and weave out from under my bed. Don't trip, when approaching the problems of dignity, manage your grip. When nobody said life would ever be fair, so get off of your ass and commit. Quit the crime, little sucker, gonna try to simmer down. Grab another, stand in line for the freak show. Take a trip through the mystic and open those eyes to the blood, feel the cadence of evil. God forgive me for those crimes I never planned to slip. It's just been something on my mind that keeps me chained in hell. Chief in hate, working late, trying to get by, steady serving like a mug. And I never been a bitch, so till the hoes come to stick me, yeah man, I'ma make my run. And now I ain't proud of some things that I've done in the past, so don't hold it against me. It's just that it's hard to make much of a usable profit when bigots keep taxing our businesses. All the money, the pussy, the power was never enough, cause they want every hour you spend to be fighting to live. You gotta watch your back. Corruption is real. It's death to the regular Joe. It's the purpose of culture. If all that we know soon it tends to be canceled. When everything closes, the only one left is the rich. Corrupted decisions and sinister motives between politicians is meant to provoke you. The pushing of violence, it acts like a motor controlling the brain like a tick. I wish it was different, but everyone changes. Illusions, they crumble, they fall through the pavement. Eventually all this material waste will be nothing but rot in the distance. But as long as you buck and hold on to your rights, you'll be bound to prevail. The serpent inside through the palm of your hand, as it travels the vitals, the truth will be clear once again. But if you wanna pass some time, just gonna light that joint. Chief in hate, chief in hate, chief in hate, every day. Don't let the clock destroy your pride, you better tighten them gloves. Working late, chief in hate, every day. This is the hustle. listen, fear the deadly premonition of the dark one. Your world is coming to an end. The torture inside of me soon awaits through bottomless pits. You watch as the clock it becomes a fake dream. Cause shit gets deep off in the trenches, it's purgatory. Sometimes I look at the sky and see nothing but evil horrors, all too perfect. Evil logistics, they swerve inside of me, so come be witness. I'm serving lyrical lobotomy, driving these suckers blind to the mind that they choose to waste quick. I heard you speaking on my name from a safe distance. Unless you want your brain spilled, don't turn around, they gon' expect I'm aiming dead from the background. But I'm a tapping old school for the one time. The phone resides in breaking each knuckle across your dirty mouth. Walk around like he's a big dog, they might just call a pound. I know a couple crackers cracking jaws in the underground. And I ain't talking downtown, I'm talking off in the cornfields. Beware the clutch of the scarecrow. With vengeance blankly it stares, you just want your property with offerings. You'll only disturb it, cause haters gotta be chitty bang. You simply can't escape from the devil. When all along we knew Johnny was a sinner with no bones in him. So punk you disrespect the rhythm and let me clear your mind with this atrocity. Another spiritual anomaly. Yeah, I'm on my fuck 'em all tip, so I'ma keep it plain and simple. The world is mine, cause cricket matters where your balls sitting. How you catch it dinner, so rabbits they tend to fall victim. You stole the loot and now I'm here to make some man's touch. This buster had to be tripping, I thought you knew, you must've never really listened. But that's okay, cause we done dug your grave and turned to sleep. It brings a new pain from destruction, get rearranged, G. They always said to take caution when faced with madness. So why you chose to leap and provoke the magic says a lot about you. Cause with cats and mice it's a game. The only one's a winner when the live a lecker when the shots ring. Support your local butcher shop, purchase the meats. It's made in different oppositions. Oops, I told you the secret, the reason. Guess I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. That's just how it is. Another day, another broken neck. Fame, money, and the power goes like fungus around us. Cause in the simulation everything is sour. Gonna smell